Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent these. These are really cool. These are cast iron pans, but they're not just any old cast iron pan. These are cast iron pans that are ceramic coated cast iron pans. So it has a real slick surface on here as well as on the back side. These actually came in a set of 3. We've got a 12-inch, a 10-inch, and an 8-inch pan. So that gives you a lot of versatility. The lids on these things are glass, and they do have a stainless steel rim and handle, so a lot of high quality there. These can be used to be able to cook on gas. You can cook them on electric stoves. You can even put this in the oven, so that's really cool. I'm loving the color of this. This actually comes in a couple of different colors. This is the blue color. If you're going to cook on the stove, they even provide you with these silicone handles. Very comfortable, so before you go, you can actually lock those on there, and then you can pick those up on there, which is really nice. And I am really liking the fact that it has this notch out of each side of these to where you can pour out liquid, and even on the bigger ones has a little handle. These would look very nice in pretty much any kitchen.